In this video, I will talk about access restrictions within Bitrix24 and show you how you can create these restrictions to improve the security of your company's data. So here in Bitrix, I already come in CRM. In CRM, to access the access settings, I come here in access permissions. Here I can select the CRM as well as the products or inventory that I have within the tool. I'm going to CRM. In CRM, I already have this field here where I can create a category or create an access group for a specific user or a specific group of people. What do you mean? I'll show you. So, first step, I come and add an access permission. And here I select which group or user will be using these access permissions. So I'm going to give an example. I want only Fabio in this case. Here is Fabio, and what is the access permission he will use? So I can put administrator, manager, or full access. And now I'm going to do something a little different. I'm going to customize an access category. So it's very simple. I come to add, and here I have all the CRM information that I can release or hide for this user. An example, I can come here in contacts and I want it not to access or only the personal contact here in reading. We can put his personal department all open. To add a contact, restrict. To update, delete, export, or import, each one of them has its own access configuration. And here I can also configure access in pipelines. So an example that I also put here, I have pipeline 1 with columns 1, 2, and 3. An example I put is pipeline 1, column 2, column 3. So this way I can do the following. I want this user to have full access to this column here, to be able to read in column 1, to add, he will also be able to, and to update as well, and here too. So this way I put here that he can access pipeline 1 and read, add, update, and delete any card from this flow. So here I have this information. In the same way, if I have other flows, I can release these fields according to the need. So if I already have this configuration here, I can name it 1. If I set configuration 1, I will put configuration 1 here. I can do the following, save it. And now my user, I'm going to add that user I mentioned earlier, my user. And now I can put configuration 1 here, which was the configuration I created here. And here I can edit this configuration. So this way I can restrict CRM data. It is worth remembering that this configuration is valid only for the CRM field and not for the task and project management field. So stay tuned. If you need anything else, support, please contact us and we can help. Until next time.